Every night, little Arav heard soft whispers coming from under his bed. His parents said it was just his imagination.
One night, tired of being scared, he leaned down and whispered, "Who's there?"
A quiet voice replied, "I'm you, but trapped."
Arav blinked and felt a cold hand grab his face from below. The next morning, his parents found an empty bed and a faint whisper echoing from under it. "Don't wake me again. Subscribe and like."